Moving on and shifting our focus to the state of Uttar Pradesh now, where a big twist has happened in the alleged abduction of a 20-year-old girl in Greater Noida. In fact, the story that we are telling you right now, in that story, UP police has claimed that the family of the girl fabricated this story in a bid to protect their honor. Noida police has revealed that the girl actually ran away from her house on September 15th, and on the following day, her family falsely claimed that she was abducted and later even staged a protest over this incident. It's said that girl's uncle, who is a Delhi cop, had cooked up the entire story. However, the UP police was able to trace the girl at Uttar Pradesh's Gonda and also revealed that her father, grandfather were also involved in the entire conspiracy.
बच्ची घटना जो दिखाई गई है उससे एक दिन पहले चली गई है। ऐसी जानकारी घर वालों को थी, परंतु उनके द्वारा इस घटना को ना बता करके कि बच्ची 1 बजे के आसपास घर से निकली है, एक नई घटना या एक मनगढ़ंत या फर्जी घटना 16 तारीख की सुबह 5 बजे की क्रिएट की गई, जिसमें ये बताया गया कि एक वैन सवार लगभग 3 लोग जिसमें थे, एक वैन में 3 लोग आए और उनके द्वारा जो है वो एक बच्ची के साथ छेड़खानी की गई और दूसरी बच्ची को गाड़ी में डाल करके और उसका अपहरण करके ले गए, जबकि ये घटना हुई ही नहीं है।
Alok Singh is with us to give more details on this. So, Alok, what a shocking story this is with so many twists. It seems like that the family in question actually took inspiration from a Bollywood thriller. If you can just share more details as to what exactly happened, why they conspired in this way, and also now that this conspiracy has been revealed and is out in open, is the police willing to take any action in this family?
Yes, Gauri. In fact, what we are learning that the 3 kids, basically 3 children, in fact, one is the 18-year-old sister of the victim girl. They were showed the movie, that the Bollywood movie, to know that how the kidnapping takes place, so that they could brief the media and also brief the police about how it all had happened. That was the fake story that was staged by the family. This is what we are learned from the police. Police say that they are going to take the action against the family members because first they cooked up the whole story fake. And the second, they staged the protest at the road. They blocked the road. So under these two, under various IPC section, these 2 things that they have violated. So the family will be booked very soon. Police is mulling that under what sections they will be booked. Definitely in the coming hours the case will be registered against them. But definitely this is very interesting thing that has happened. What we are learning that the family wanted to maintain their pride and honor because the girl had left a day before. At the day when the family came up and said that she is kidnapped while she was on the walking. But the girl had left a day before and she was found in Gonda, Uttar Pradesh with her male friend. So police is saying that because the girl is major, so definitely they cannot take action against the girl or the male friend. But they are noting down her statement, and definitely they are going to book the family members who cooked up the whole story.
Right. Thank you, Alok, for sharing all those details.